Chase Freedom Flex Osa pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Freedom Flex is one of the most versatile cashback cards in the US. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only useful for rotating categories, but it offers a combination of flat rate and bonus rewards that cover almost every type of purchase. The card earns 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories like groceries, gas, or streaming services, up to a quarterly maximum after activation. It also offers 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. For example, spending $0 per month with a mix of dining, groceries, and everyday expenses could yield around in annual rewards. There is no annual fee, making it a low-risk card for both casual and frequent spenders. Interest is applied only on unpaid balances, so paying in full each month maximizes value. The card also includes cell phone protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty benefits, adding extra security to your purchases. Chase's online tools allow you to activate bolus categories, track spending, and redeem cash back easily for statement credits, gift cards, or travel through Ultimate Rewards. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Flex is ideal for anyone looking to maximize cash back across a variety of everyday and rotating categories. With no annual fee, flexible rewards, and added purchase protections, it's a practical and rewarding card that adapts to your lifestyle.